Can't catch me, boy.
Okay.
Here comes Grandma. Here comes Grandma. Here comes Grandma. Well, they don't call it breakfast for nothing.
Hey, but the lighting sucks.
Nah, lighting's fine.
It is?
That should show up just fine.
It's dark. We like cooking in the dark here in the Henry household.
Ooh, that sounds like a good segment.
Cooking in
In the dark.
Exotic flavors. Why are we always coming up with ads?
Because we were commercial people.
Yeah, in another life, we would probably like...
You guys don't know about commercials because, you know, you were born like last year. Okay?
What? You don't even know that.
You were born like last year.
That's
so.
not true. There's people already out
You guys know about ads. You don't know anything about commercials.
ad revenue.
You just know about ads. But for us, that older generation.
Is that old school?
If you don't get into old school, you'd have missed it.
We know about commercials.
Is that old school?
See, before commercials got annoying to the point like, oh man, a commercial. No, it used to be, whoa, a commercial.
Right?
What's coming out now?
I wonder what they're gonna do now, yeah.
What's coming out now? What's gonna happen now?
Yeah.
Commercials is how we know about Six Flags. Commercials was how we know about
Shoot, Disney.
Disney. Commercials was how we knew whether or not the new He-Man was coming out.
Yeah.
She-Ra.
Oh man, I had all that.
The Thundercats.
Thundercats. Oh!
Thundercats!
The Silverhawks.
Yeah.
Transformers. And G.I. Joe.
G.I. Joe! What is a great American hero?
G.I. Joe is there, fighting for freedom wherever there's trouble over land, sea, and air. I know with what they did with Transformers, you know, some people found it atrocious. I liked it. I liked it.
I like the last few Transformers. And I like Sam Witwicky. I like his character. Okay? And
Brownies for the environment.
Sweet, Ma. What is that in your hand, by the way?
Oh, I got this at the bake sale for the environment that those boys are having.
so we're making breakfast for the tribe. I'm about to say the clan, but that don't go with our channel. We're the tribe. So
We the tribe.
you need more eggs than that. He wants 8 eggs for like 7 people. Come get him.
Hey man,
Come
that's
get
an
him.
egg
He's
and an
wrong.
eighth.
No,
for
man.
each person.
No, you need to make like
That's an
12,
egg
14.
and an eighth for each
You have to
person.
make 12, 14. Because he likes to be rolling doo-doo.
Give me the tray.
No cheese. Cheese.
It's the same thing.
Like it's so like this.
No cheese.
Here, I gotta put your soap in.
Let's see.
Alright, so Vic just went, and now it's my go. Here.
No, it's Tae.
Oh, it's Tay. Hold on.
Then you, then me, then Dad.
We're playing Jenga. This is what we're doing. We're all playing, and this is what we got going so far. Well, Vicky is quick with it. She didn't even take long.
Oh, shit. Go Universal. You need hoodies?
You need hoodies for Universal? Yes, babe.
Oh my gosh.
Tay, I don't know.
So we had hot chocolates.
No.
We had cookies. There's popcorn back there. We saw Christmas. We saw Elf.
It's gonna
Tay,
fall.
no.
We've been relaxing.
Tay, no.
Fall.
We've been relaxing, and now we're playing.
That one holding up some weight. It's
We're
gonna
gonna play
fall.
dominoes next.
Vicky.
It is shaking.
Probably this one.
I'm like so scared. I don't know what to do. Should I do this?
Yeah, I think
Oh
Maybe
my
that's
God.
the safest option right now. Okay.
Woo! Okay, she got it. Okay, it's my go. Here, babe.
Excuse me.
Record
can I
me.
go my side? Okay.
Woo! Mom, here you get. Here it is. What's she gonna?
Oh man. Woo!
That thing look twisted.
Yeah, it's a little.
It's hard.
That's why I don't want to play. I'd rather just watch. I would have been knocked this whole thing out.
I would play.
Oh wow! Oh, Beta made it interesting. Beta made it interesting. If she pulls this off,
Holy crap.
she done made it interesting. Jose, your mom out for blood. Cause now all that insurance is on you, boy. Insurance is on
Jose
you.
gotta set up. He gotta set up his.
I'm
for
live
the-
on Instagram.
Oh, you're live on
Yeah, this is
Instagram.
competitive. I'm never live on here, so
Oh my God! So we live Instagram.
we're live right now.
You're about to witness Jose collapse this whole thing live.
I'm so rough on it already. It's already tilting.
It's already Vic. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
You're good? You got it, Virg?
Okay, she has you. Woo, concentration. Take a breath, Jose. Don't breathe on it. Don't even breathe. Ooh. Look at the precision. We got it. Who's next?
Who is next?
Oh,
Dad.
oh, Dad. All right, so Dad.
It's lasting longer than I thought.
Dad is coming. Yeah, we've been at this. What has been like 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, at least. There you go. Dad is.
Bottom is the hard
What? That was quick. Who's next?
Me.
Ooh, Virginia.
Damn right. Damn right. Dad,
Go.
know better.
Dad, move better. No screaming. No
Wow,
screaming.
dude.
Ooh, 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 ooh. It is wobbly, boy.
Look at the bottom. How is this?
I have no idea.
Oh my God.
This one little thing is getting. Ah! She's quick with it. She's quick. I gotta hurry up and get her.
It cracks.
It's not gonna crash yet.
Arts and craft.
Oh, it's Tay's turn.
Oh, it looks tilted.
We're on live on Instagram. Follow King Jose Vlogs on Instagram. He's live. Well, you guys will see this way after.
No, they.
But follow Instagram.
If you want to follow everybody's Instagram.
Follow everybody, okay? You got King Jose Vlogs, Mr. and Mrs. Henry, Ashante Dior, you know what I'm saying? A2 Wealthy, A Tribe Called Henry,
Mr. and Mrs.
Mr.
Henry.
I already said that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Verge the Virgo, she's coming
It's
up
your
next.
go.
Oh, it's my go. I'm gonna do it when I'm vlogging because I'm good like that. Let's see.
Are you positive?
Let's see like that.
Vicky
Oh, Jesus.
Capricorn.
Oh,
Alright. Interesting.
mom's confident.
Can't do that. There's Jose. Jose concentrating. Oh, that forearm flexing, boy.
Oh, thank you.
That's all them weights, you know what I'm saying? That forearm flex. Look at the potato right there.
Stop, Mr. Potato. Ah!
You gonna do? Adrian's too nervous. He said he's gonna knock it down.
The whole
and
thing will
he's
get
too
knocked over if
nervous.
I go.
I don't know. His dad. Adrian's gonna watch until we play dominoes, and then he'll be all in.
She said honey
Who's next?
Alright,
Honey,
let's go.
Verge.
Verge. I got you, Vic. Your song.
See that song?
All right, let's go.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Hey.
Oh, there's just one there. Okay.
That thing said wobble, wobble. Well, whoever's next, you got one already
Vic,
pulled.
it's your
for
turn,
you.
baby.
Vic, you can just pull that one. Nope, she gonna go for.
Nah, the whole thing won't fall over.
Go ahead, Vic.
Oh my god.
Careful.
Hold it.
Very soft, though. Very soft. You can't really hold it, baby.
She the baby, yo.
It's
She
okay.
can hold it. She
It's
can hold
all right.
it.
It's all right.
Hold on. Let Daddy fix this real quick.
You're not supposed to be
All
doing
right.
all that, Dad.
Okay.
Come on, Dad. Nah,
Okay.
save it.
Okay. What in the world?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, leave it there. Leave it there. Good job.
Leave it like
All right,
that.
I think
She's
Tay already
you
has
set.
you set.
You set, yo.
You set.
She done put
It's
pressure
already
on you.
leaning.
You can go
Just-
around if you want.
I'm not set. I gotta sit here and figure it out. My girl.
Man, that was close.
Oh, man. Okay, Dad. You're gonna have to here.
It's
Here,
just
take
a
this.
domino.
After, baby.
After. I'm gonna film this aerial because, you know, to see a building.
They leave me with all the hard stuff.
Oh my God.
There's so many out of place.
I'm stepping back.
Oh!
Grab it, though.
Ooh.
Okay, that ain't it.
You ain't supposed to trust unstable.
That ain't it.
I want to do domino. We
There it
can
is.
do domino.
She found a weak link.
Yep.
Fair.
You got it.
Bam.
Bam. Okay, so this is Jenga part 3.
Round three.
Round 3.
This
Round
is more
3.
interesting because I know everybody want to do dominoes, but you can only play 4 people with dominoes.
All right.
Yeah.
So I was told I start.
Dad has to start.
Dad is gonna
because
start.
It fell on Verge 2 times already.
Yes. Verge has Jenga'd twice. I don't know if that's the correct terminology, but that's what we're
So
going to call
because
it.
it's me, I'm gonna make it interesting from the go.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
On
it
the
is.
go.
From the goat.
Because I'm a goat.
Yeah. With my Robbie from the dinosaurs haircut. Yeah, I'm going to so insert that clip right now.
Much more rock and roll. That makes no sense. I know, but it sounds cool. We gotta turn this world around.
Okay, bye.
Boom! Like 5
Hi.
people just joined
Hi, people.
and then just left. Oh, this is awkward. Let me just leave. Like, why do people do that? Like, just say what's up and like, I don't know.
Why do you do that, Live Town?
Lifetime.
Why you come in
Live
and
Town?
then leave?
Live Town is
Why
my
you do that,
place.
Live Town?
To the people of Livetown.
Wow.
Why do you do that?
Population 0.
Come back.
That sucks.